I don't think more than, honestly, I don't think you generally more than a couple months in advance. I just, yeah, I know, I try to make too many grand plans and try to just, you know, be forward thinking enough to be functional and to you know, hopefully make a few right moves here and there.
It's limitless. I mean, it really comes down to what do we want to invest our time in.
It continues to morph like all the time. We're constantly coming up with new products. You know, like the in-wall humidors has been just a huge seller, which is fantastic.
And on-wall humidors. Then I'm excited to see more opportunities come that way. In terms of what that will be, who knows? Stay tuned.
You know, we're always looking for new products and new ideas, and as I said earlier, you know, our clients are just really great at pulling us into different things, and they provide us with the fodder for the best ideas that we come up with.
I think just continuing to focus on ahead of the curve humidor designs would honestly make me happy, because I build the humidors and I love building the humidors, and our wine cabinetry as well, having that design that just sets us off from anybody else.
It's fulfilling working in a small business. It's something new every day. I'm proud of mostly the people that we've worked with over a long period of time. It's really fulfilling to see people growing, and you know, you get to know them and their families. And yes, we're proud of the fact that we've got some, you know, a good customer list, and that we've done a really good job, and that we're in some of the finer hotels and private homes out there. But you know, again, without the people, none of that happens.